Next tutorial, we are going to insert transitions into our presentation shorts. So these are instructions for PowerPoint, but remember guys, we are not using PowerPoint anymore. We are using Google Slide. So it's not gonna look the same, and I'm going to show you how to find it. You're going to go down to slide number 1. So slide number 1, we have to insert a transition, and it should be boxing. Remember, Google Slide and PowerPoint, they slightly different, but they do the same. So I'm going to show you how to insert, and we're going to choose any one of our choices since we do not have boxing. Okay, that's right here at the top. You do not go anywhere, you're not clicking anywhere. Just make sure that you do not click on the title, and just make sure that you not click on the picture. Just make sure that you not click on the writing. You click, remember how we insert a background. Just click at the bottom or corner of your slide. And after clicking on it, it will go boom. If it doesn't go boom, just listen to my boom. And you're going to click on transition. Yes, it's gonna come. It says none. We look for boxing, so we don't have boxing. Instead, let's use cube or use flip or use gallery, dissolve, any of your choice. Once you're done, you're going to choose speed, fast, medium, and please make sure that you do not click on apply to all slides. Once you're done, you test it. Does it work? It looks like. Okay, it's fine. Then we go to the next slide, but before, make sure that you read the instruction. Instruction for slide number 2 says transition should become vertical. I don't think we have come vertical. Click on slide number 2, click on transition, and come vertical. We don't have, so we'll choose a different one. I'll go for dissolve, you go for any. Once we're done, click on speed. I want it very slow, so you'll choose your speed as well. Then you test it, dissolves nicely, and we have it. Then we're going to go to the fade slide. The car moves beautifully. And click on stop so you can go to the fade slide. Fade slide. Fade slide. Fade slide. The instruction is transition should be chatbot down. We also don't have it. Make sure that you don't do the mistake I did. Click just outside the writings. Transition, you will choose a different one. Do you go for flip? I'll go for flip. Choose different one, guys. Once you're done, choose your speed. Test. It's working. Working. Look at that. Lovely. Once you're happy, you're going to go to last slide. And we read the instruction. It's very important, guys. We read the instruction. If we don't, then we're not going to know what to do. Slide number 4, we're doing news flash. News flash. We don't have news flash. Again, we click on transition. We will choose a different one. We use dissolve, we use cube, we use flip, and let's see gallery. Last one, I'll use gallery. And choose speed, test. There's gallery there. Okay. Then moves, and your name is there. Then we go, let's look at our instructions. And once we finish with transition, that means we're done. But guys, this doesn't mean you finish. So go around, explore, spend a whole lot of time, test things that you've never tested. Just don't follow my instructions and leave it like that. Have fun, explore, and I will see you in the next lesson where we are not now going to follow instruction, but we will be creative. Remember, theme for this year is creativity. So, encouraged to be creative. But before I leave you guys, I'm going to present the entire screen to show you how it looks like now. The previous one looks slightly different. So let's see the final thing and how it looks like. Okay, comes in nicely there, dissolve like you're watching a movie. The car coming. Nice. If you like, you can edit or you put transitions on your titles and words. Guys, you have it, and that's it from me. See you next lesson.